Greetings from rainy Stockholm. The rain is finally here after you have seen so many sunny days on my channel. But today the rain is inevitable. It has been raining since midnight and it's going to rain until late in the evening. So in this rain I am out for a beach adventure and raining this one for a quick lunch swim here in Hornsbergs. As I am in the center of Stockholm today in the office and I have very close to this beach spot, and I'm gonna go for a quick swim here and show you Hornsbergs, as I haven't been here for quite a while. You can see that the rain is falling, but I'm gonna take in a swim anyway, and then I will need to get changed when I get back to work. So but yes, cool. 13 degrees Celsius in the air and 16 degrees Celsius in Lake Mälaren, that is. And I am at beach day number 167 on my Sweden beach adventures. What is interesting to see is that the colors of the leaves have turned yellowish already over here, a lot faster than in the forest that I am cycling. So the autumn is on its way with its rainy weather, and today is 9th of October 2024, a rainy Wednesday that is. So I was first intending to jump, but I don't know, I think it will be a shock for my body, so I will use the stairs instead. Hornsbergs Strand, it's one of the most popular central beaches in Stockholm and my favorite. It's located on Kungsholmen, approximately 3 kilometers from the center of the city, and there is water all around the island, as Kungsholmen is obviously an island, and the distance around the whole island is 10 kilometers, and there is even one run that happens once every year, that you run around the island and compete with other fellow runners. What I see here is interesting. If you can see, there is a line, water line, natural water line in between, and I'm not really sure if that is a good thing or a bad thing. So it seems that the water stream doesn't flow over here, so I will swim all the way there and to see what is the difference actually. I'm really not sure if you can see that, but it's really like very strange that I haven't experienced before. I know that there is such a thing for the oceans, but I haven't seen one in the lakes yet. On that field over there, people also usually dance salsa in the summer months. Now there is nobody here, and there are some chairs and tables to have a lunch here and also take a swim afterwards if you are here in the summer. So right, let's then get going and speed up, as I really need to get going. But yes, 12 o'clock, lunchtime, and it is time for another beach adventure with trees. The water here is super still, maybe that's why it's the separation. So right, time for a swim at Hornsbergs on this rainy day. So ready, set, go. Okay, I'm going to swim now where the line ends to see what is the difference, and if it is pollution or something. But I don't think so, because Lake Mälaren is where we get the water, drinking water from, and it's out of the best quality in the world. I think it's only Finland that has cleaner water, and maybe Switzerland. But yes, I'm swimming. 16 degrees is quite good here, I cannot complain. And here you can see lots of modern buildings that were built in this millennium. But the only downside to it this beach is that it's right next to the most trafficked motorway, E4 I think it was, this one, and there are cars and trucks all the time. Okay. It was a lot longer swim than I intended, but it's quite nice. That on the other side is Pampas Marina, the houses on the water. You people that have the privilege to live on the water, technically and literally. And we can see also the buildings there from Västra Skogen and Huvudsta. I need to visit Huvudsta Strand soon for a swim. It's not that far, and that is in Solna. I was trying to clean up the camera as I see some smudges from the rain, but that's a wrap from this rainy Wednesday from central Stockholm at Hornsbergs Strand. Thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and yeah, now I need to get back to the day. So thanks a lot for watching, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel, Beach Adventures with Chris.